guys, today we'll be making a Spike Dash game. So first, we create a person sprite, like a square and an eye. And then you make the ground and the ceiling, which is going to be black. And you drag that down like that. Okay, that's better. The character sprite is too big, so make it smaller. If it is too big, then make it smaller. That's better. Then you drag the player sprite to the bottom, and then you get an event. Then you get when green flag is clicked. Go to X, what X the ground is. And if you just drag the player sprite to the ground, then it'll change it. Oh, not on this, over here. Then forever if key up arrow pressed, then if key down arrow pressed. So change Y by the minus slash, put the minus inside of the first block in front of the slash, the first circle, like that. Then drag the player sprite to the top, and then drag, and then what the Y is, then you type it in the first the circle in front of the minus sign. So 116, that's the Y. And then minus Y position slash 4. Oh yeah. And you get a repeat block too. Repeat 10. Just a little more. Four is too little. You need to get 8. By 20, I guess, if you do /8. See, that's smooth. Then you duplicate it by right clicking it and then going on the first option. It would still say 116, so you drag it back, or go to X block and Y on top of the forever, and see that's -15. So then you go -115. Now let's test this out. Oh yeah, keep on forgetting the repeat block. By a little more, 25 for both. I think this is good. A little more still. 30, just to repeat 30. I guess. I did this because I wanted it to look like that. And then you get out. Then you make some spikes. Well, you need some spikes for Spike Dash game. So you just make an arrow slanted. Then you make the outline a lot bigger. You go to the arrow up here. And then you click on it when it's blue. Then you change not 1, that's too small, to like 10. 10, now the outline is 10. Then you copy and paste this one too. You turn it like that. And then it's a spike. So then we get when green flag is clicked. Oh wait, yeah, I forgot. Duplicate. We select all of it and then we turn it down like that. You make another costume, 2 costumes. One pointing to the top like a normal spike and then one pointing to the bottom. So then you get when green flag is clicked, hide, and then forever. You gotta pick random block from operators. Pick random from we put a period which stands for points. 50, which is less than a second, it's half a second. 0.50 is half a second to 1 second with no point. Then create a clone of myself. When I start as a clone, then show. See, then it shows. And you make this show. We switch this to sprite 1. Sprite 1. Then you get variable. 1. Pick, name it pick. Like that. So set pick to pick random. Pick random from 1 to 2. If pick, then we get an equal block from the operator is equal to 50. So then we go to the variables. If you made the pick variable, then see there's a circle. There's like an oval one that shows on. Then you drag that from here. If pick equals 1, then switch costume to costume. It says costume 2, but do costume 1, and go to X 30, yeah, like that. And then you duplicate this. If pick equals to 2, then we drag this up here. I actually take both of the X blocks out and then drag another one when it's all the way to the right end. Yeah, and then now it's right. Well, yeah. Make sure the spike is on. Make sure this one is showing, or else it won't change. So make sure it's showing. Hi, this is Gamers. If you liked the video, like and subscribe for more. Bye.
Alright.